Okay friends, in this video we are learning how to stop notification from website by Chrome. Okay, if you are visiting modern website, they ask allow notification, then you press the allow notification, then you will receive notification by Chrome. You can see thousands of no notification will become from that website. So how to disable that? So open your Chrome, then tap on three dots. Okay, then scroll down, then select settings. After opening settings, you can see those options. Just scroll down, then you can see option of notification, but actually this is not. Just go down and you can see option of site settings. Open that, then you can see option of notification. Open. Currently I'm select these settings, don't allow sites to send notification, but in your mobile like this, normally this one the default settings. So you can see which website is here and click those two, never send notifications. And you can also see other websites here, and you can simply turn off all website. Just click here, don't allow sites to send notification, and then you will be get no notification from any website. So that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much.